Most people stuff winter clothes into storage and wonder why they come back stained, smelly, and moth-eaten. Here's exactly how to clean and store them so they last for years. Step 1. Check care labels first. Read the fabric type and cleaning instructions on every garment. Wool, down, and synthetic materials need different treatment. This prevents shrinking or damage. Step 2. Pre-treat stains with a gentle stain remover or white vinegar solution. Apply to collars, cuffs, and underarms where sweat and dirt accumulate. Let sit for 15 minutes before washing. Step 3. Wash in cold water on a gentle cycle. Use wool-specific detergent for wool and cashmere. For down jackets, use a specialized down cleaner to protect the insulation. Step 4. Dry flat or hang to air dry completely. Never use high heat. Once dry, add cedar blocks or lavender sachets to prevent moths, then fold or hang in breathable storage bags. Step 5. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Use cedar chests or plastic bins with moth repellent, not plastic bags that trap moisture. Check every few weeks for pests. Pro tip: never use plastic dry cleaning bags for long-term storage. They trap moisture and cause mildew. Use breathable cotton storage bags instead. What's your go-to moth prevention method? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.